Hello everyone, today we will learn about the some shortcuts of Jupyter Notebook. Like here, we need to understand that there are two modes in Jupyter, that is command mode and edit mode. So, how to identify that in which mode our cell is? So, if the border shows us the blue color, so we can see that it is in command mode, and if the cell shows that it is green, so see here, so we can identify that it is in edit mode. So how can we shift from edit to command and command to edit? So if we this green shows edit mode, so if we want to shift into the command mode, we'll press uh, escape button. See, we have been shifted to command mode. If we have to again shift to edit mode, we'll press enter button. Enter. So we have again shifted to uh, edit mode. So the purpose of identifying or using this shortcut is that it makes our work more easier, and you can see that while pressing escape we can enter into command mode, and while pressing enter we can shift to the edit mode. So basically these are the few shortcuts. We can if we are in the command mode, suppose here we are in the command mode, so we can shift from one cell to the another cell. You can carefully understand that we can shift from one cell to the another cell by using arrow keys. See, here we are shifting from one cell to the another cell, while if we were in edit mode, pressing enter, see, if I press the arrow keys, I will shift from between the lines. I will shift between the lines, and if I was in command mode, I will shift between the up and down in the between the cells. Okay, so that was the main difference. If we have to delete one of the cell, we can do it very easily, uh, uh, being in the command mode. uh, Here we are in the command mode, and then pressing double pressing D. See, here we have deleted the one cell, again pressing uh, D button two times. Okay, if we want to convert the cell into suppose I'll add one empty cell here, alt plus shift. So here I want to make convert this cell to markdown. So what I will do, first I will uh, convert to command mode, that is pressing escape, then I will press M here. Okay, and then I will press enter, shifting to edit mode. Here I will write anything and then press shift enter. See, here I have made that cell into markdown without using the options. Okay, and if we want to merge two cells, okay, it is quite interesting. If we want to merge, like if we want to merge these two cells, so what I will do, I will come here, press escape. See, I have entered into command mode. So here I will use shift plus arrow to select bottom cell. Shift plus arrow. See, both two cells are selected. So I will press here shift plus M. See, both the cells are been merged. It becomes our work very easy. So if also if we have to split the cell at any current location. Suppose I want to split this one cell into two. So what I will do, I will first come into the edit mode. this green is the edit mode. I'll put my cursor over here and then I'll press Control plus Shift plus minus. Okay, Control plus Shift plus minus. See, this has splitted my cells into two parts. If I want to copy that cell, or suppose I want to cut that cell, so I will come here, press escape to convert into command mode. Here I'll press C and then I'll press V. See, it has copied my cell below. If I want to copy that cell above of this cell, so what I will do, I'll press Shift plus V. First I'll copy this and then I'll press Shift plus V. See this, it has copied that cell once again. And if I want to delete these lines, so what I will do, I will come into edit mode. I'll press Ctrl plus D to delete that line, not cell, in edit mode. Ctrl plus D. These were the few tips for the shortcuts. You can use this screenshot to use it.